What's up everyone, SkySync here. This is a super exciting video. We're gonna be doing our top 5 drone moments of 2024.
In this video, we will be showing you our best shots that we got throughout the year and ranking them on how cool we thought they were. Our number 5 drone shot of the 2024 year was driving RC cars and filming them with the FPV drone. And it was a really cool experience because we don't usually get like that type of lighting as we did out on the field.
Yeah, that shot was super cool. We went to our local school and they had just put in the turf, so it was all nice. It wasn't raining, had the underglow on the car. I mean, everything literally lined up perfectly for that
We
shot.
could not have asked for better weather.
All right, guys, our number 4 drone shot of the 2024 year. Actually, I wasn't there for. We were at the Tillamook Beach in Oregon. You could literally see like the blue in the ocean, which you can't usually see in Oregon, but
yeah,
that was a super awesome
shot. It was
a
lot of fun being out there. I was out there with my scout troop and we were out there for the weekend and it was a really cool sunset, so we decided to fly the drone and it turned out really nicely.
Yeah, thankfully you did. That was a really good shot.
Yeah. Our number 3 shot for 2024 was the bird strike, and it was a really cool shot because the bird came out at the drone and it was pretty scary having it almost attack the drone.
Yeah, we were up at
the San Juan
I
Island.
wasn't there, but yeah, the islands in Washington.
San Juan Islands in Washington, Lopez Island.
Yeah, that was a cool view. Yeah, I always say not only did we have the cool view, but also that bird just came in, and one of the first weeks you ever had your drone.
Yeah.
I was scared for you watching that shot. All right, everyone, for our number 2 shot of the year 2024, we have the sunrise in Eastern Oregon. This was out at hunting property, and I mean, this shot just speaks for itself.
It was an amazing shot.
Yeah,
being able to see all the colors of the sun and a light cloud on the horizon made it a really cool sunrise.
All right, guys, if you're still watching and you're enjoying the video, make sure to leave us a big thumbs up and subscribe. We post every Friday, Flying Fridays, and Mondays too sometimes.
The number 1 shot of 2024 would probably be out at the Banks Vernonia Bridge. We drove up and we were like, man, it would be cool if we were able to go all the way up into the hills and come down and look at the bridge, and it turned out it was an amazing shot. It worked really well. It was a perfect day, a little bit of mist over the mountains.
We were like flying around the bridge on the outer layer, and then we got that shot, and we were just like, we both were like, oh my gosh, this is insane.
It made it easy to pick our number 1 shot of 2024.
Yeah, we were looking through and we knew exactly what our number 1 shot was going to be.
We couldn't have asked for any better weather on that one too.
Yeah. All right, guys, 2024 was an amazing year for drone flying. We had a good time editing, good time flying. Make sure to stay tuned for 2025. Our videos are going to keep getting better and better. We're going to get some even more insane shots. So 2025 recap should be even better than this.
Make sure to stay tuned every Monday and Friday for drone flights if you're interested. Thanks
make
for
sure
watching.
to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later.